Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the #1 opportunities discovering platform. In this video, we are going to give you details about free online courses by top universities on FutureLearn. FutureLearn is offering a great opportunity for people from all around the world to learn new skills. Free online courses are being offered by top universities from around the world. FutureLearn is a leading platform for students and professionals that offers a large number of courses and certificates and other virtual trainings. Online courses are completely free. You can pay and upgrade your subscription to earn a shareable certificate. Courses are available in all academic fields and specializations. No fee is required for short online courses, but if you want to earn a full bachelor's, master's or doctorate, you have to pay. It allows students from all around the world to develop new skills or enhance and upgrade their skills. If you also want to avail your time at home, this is a great opportunity to learn. There is no specific eligibility criteria. You must have a good internet connection to access the courses, and anyone of any age can apply for these courses. International students from any country in any corner of the world can apply. These courses are self-paced. To apply for this course, just click on the link given in the description section of this video and scroll down towards the application process section and click on apply now to be redirected to the official website of FutureLearn. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on apply now, you will be redirected to the FutureLearn official website. Here you can see short online courses from top universities from around the world. To enroll for a course, click on register. You can register using your Facebook account or your Google account, or you can add in your first name, your last name, your age, your email address. You have to choose a password, your email preferences, and then click on register to create an account. After creating an account, you will be redirected to your home page. You can search your course by subjects, by courses. There are short courses. For short courses, click on short courses. Click on find out more under the course that you want to study, and then just click on join course for free to enroll for your course, and your course will start. The free option gives you access to this course for 8 weeks. You can complete this course in 8 weeks. You can upgrade your course for $79 and you can have unlimited access for $279.99 US. You can see the benefits of each upgrade. For free, go to course. Here you can see the description about your course and how you can start the course, what we'll do with your data, and what we'll email you about. You can check this information, and to start your course, click on save and go to course. By clicking on go to course, your course will be started. You can see that you have completed 0 steps in week 1. This means that your course has started and you can start your course. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video and share it with your friends and family.